Hello to all my patients and future patients. My name is Dr. Michael Pinell, founder of the Medical Aesthetics Center on beautiful St. Simon Island, Georgia. My Medical Aesthetics Center was voted the #1 medical aesthetic practice on St. Simon's Island by its residents and tourists in 2013. I am an American board-certified physician who has been trained, certified, and licensed to perform the non-surgical vampire facelift as taught to me by Dr. Charles Reynolds, who created this procedure. I am making this YouTube video for you so you may become better informed about what a vampire facelift actually is and determine if you believe that you may benefit from this very innovative procedure. I am hoping to create a trusting relationship with you by providing this new information. You will decide at the end of this video if you want me to perform this procedure on you. You will determine if this procedure is potentially much more beneficial than the price it will cost you for me to do this procedure on you. My goal for all of my patients is to improve their youthful appearance in a natural way while improving the quality for all aspects of my patients' lives. This procedure was given the name vampire facelift because your blood is drawn and then spun down to obtain your plasma with stem cell growth factors that is injected into your face to improve skin texture and color. Also, hyaluronic acid is injected into your face for sculpturing and shaping your face. Together, your plasma and hyaluronic acid fillers help remove wrinkles and scars in your face. Who is a potential candidate for the vampire facelift? Please answer these following questions. First, is your facial skin color losing its more youthful, rosy hue, and does your skin have a more dull or ashen appearance due to less blood flow? Second, is your facial shape becoming more collapsed and droopy as muscle and collagen decrease? Third, is your facial skin texture less smooth and more wrinkles or larger pore size? Fourth, do you have acne or other scars on your face? And finally, are you between the ages of 30 and 75 years of age? If you answered yes to at least 2 of these questions, then you are an excellent candidate for a vampire facelift. Good candidates for this procedure are men and women who want a more youthful and natural appearance to their face. The vampire facelift makes your skin appear younger with subtle improved shape, healthy glow, and better skin color. A vampire facelift procedure is not for everyone. If you have a lot of excess skin or are looking for dramatic changes in the structure of your face, then a surgical facelift may be a better option. If you have multiple sun-damaged spots on your face, then an intense pulse light treatment may be a better option. If you are most concerned about only a very few facial wrinkles, then a skin tightening laser, Botox, or Juvederm may be the best treatment. Well, for many patients that are candidates for a vampire facelift, let me now explain what this procedure actually does. A vampire facelift, unlike most other medical procedures, restores youthfulness in a natural way by restoring shape, texture, color, and size to your face. It can be used on all skin types and colors. A vampire facelift uses only natural body substances and has no history of any adverse reactions. Unfortunately, smokers have a less positive response to this treatment than non-smokers since the toxins in cigarette smoke block the response of your stem cells. I will first explain the 3 steps of the vampire facelift procedure, and then I will give a detailed explanation of each step. First, I take 3 pictures of your face, and then I apply a topical anesthetic to your arm for blood drawing. Next, I apply a topical anesthetic to your face. I inject hyaluronic acid fillers to create a beautiful shape and correct any minor facial asymmetry with very small needles for almost no pain. Next, I isolate growth factors from centrifuge platelet-rich plasma taken from your blood draw. Then I inject these growth factors into your face. This adult multipotent stem cells are activated to grow new tissue. This new tissue includes new collagen for decreased wrinkles, new fatty tissue for smoothness, and new blood vessels for a healthy glow. The first phase restores facial shape and size, and the third phase restores skin texture and color. The result is using all four elements of beauty to give you maximum benefit to enhance your natural appearance. I will now describe in detail each step of the Vampire Facelift. The Vampire Facelift restores and beautifies shape and size with hyaluronic acid filler injections after using topical anesthetic and ice to numb your face as much as possible for my patient's comfort. Hyaluronic acid is a natural substance in your body within your skin, connective tissue, and nerve tissues. Hyaluronic acid filler used in a Vampire Facelift creates a younger appearing face while still keeping the shape natural. The technique for using hyaluronic acid fillers during a Vampire Facelift are not commonly known even among the best cosmetic surgeons. Note that shape is the most important component of beauty, and size is the least important element. Shape always trumps size, so any increase in size must be done in a way that still appears natural and beautiful. The goal is to match shape and size from one side of your face to the other, when possible. Then your face will demonstrate the beauty of symmetry. It is interesting to note that most of our faces are not symmetrical. Hyaluronic acid fillers in my hands accomplish these two goals of shape and size as close as practically possible with my Vampire Facelift technique. Next, I use a topical anesthetic to your arm to minimize pain when I draw your blood. Using a specialized centrifuge, I isolate your platelets from your blood to obtain platelet-rich plasma. Platelet-rich plasma is a concentrated source from your platelets with 10 different growth factors that stimulate the healing process for your soft tissue and skin. Platelet-rich plasma has been used for wound healing in orthopedics, cardiac, neurosurgical, oral, and plastic surgeries for some time. Then I activate platelet-rich plasma by the addition of calcium chloride to form a platelet-rich fibrin matrix, your natural healing yellow goo. Your face has already been numbed with topical anesthetic, and I use a very small needle for almost no pain to inject the natural healing goo, the platelet-rich fibrin matrix, back into your face in a very particular way. These growth factors then activate adult, multipotent, undifferentiated stem cells. These adult stem cells multiply by cell division to rejuvenate damaged tissues and replace dying cells. Unlike embryonic stem cells, the use of adult stem cells in research and medical therapy is not considered to be controversial. Your multipotent stem cells are tricked by the Vampire Facelift procedure to thinking that there has been an injury and new, younger tissue should be generated. Next, your multipotent stem cells develop into new collagen for skin support, reducing wrinkles, new blood vessels for a rosy, youthful appearance, and new fatty tissue to provide smoothness to your skin texture. Your adult stem cells are tricked into repairing skin and tissue that was never injured. This third process improves both your skin and texture and color. The results of a Vampire Facelift is a younger, natural appearing facial skin. I then take 3 pictures at the end of the procedure. The Vampire Facelift takes less than an hour, and you can return to work immediately after the procedure. There is no downtime with this procedure. The first 3 days after the procedure, you will notice a fading of the immediate improvements seen in the office as the fluid goes away before the fibroblasts have time to generate new collagen. Thus, the effects of the procedure is noticed at the first major improvement in 3 weeks, reaching a maximum benefit in 3 months, and lasting at least 1 to 2 years. Your skin de-ages and becomes healthier in multiple ways with a Vampire Facelift. Fewer wrinkles, better complexion, decreased scars, and lessening of skin folds. There have been no adverse reactions reported with this procedure. The most common side effects of this procedure are mild irritation and itching for people that are very sensitive skin from the facial filler injections. There can be mild swelling or edema and mild bruising. The Vampire Facelift is very safe and the only effective way to improve all components of facial beauty: shape, texture, color, and size. Here are the major benefits of a Vampire Facelift procedure. Immediate decreasing of the major facial skin wrinkles between your eyebrows, the glabellar lines, forehead lines, crow's feet, the periorbital lines, nasolabial folds, smile lines, puppet and marionette lines, the lines from the corners of your mouth to your chin. Immediate tightening and smoothing of the facial skin. Augment the cheeks and the chin and reshape the face. Fill in acne scars and smooth the vermilion border of the edges of your mouth. A healthy glow with rosy cheeks from increased blood flow occurs after about 3 weeks and maximizes at 3 months. You will have a radiant glow in the twilight with a more youthful complexion with this procedure. The results of this procedure will last for 1 to 2 years. If you are interested in having me perform a Vampire Facelift on you or your loved one, please call and schedule an appointment with me at 912-638-7799. At the time of the appointment, your credit card will be charged for this procedure, which is $1,900. We will obtain your email address at the time of the appointment so we can stay in touch with you. Thank you for the time you spent listening and seeing me on this YouTube video. Also, for your information, Botox and microneedling, if needed, can be done at the end or during the Vampire Facelift procedure. Thank you.